It's another beautiful day in the lake today. So here we are heading to the lake. It will take about an hour of drive from the place where we live in. The sky is so clear today. And so this is now the place. This is called the Love Lake because it has two heart shapes attached to each other, and the view is just so beautiful and amazing. This is a man-made lake here in Dubai, and there are lots of tourists who visit here. As you can see, there are many trees and swans, and the lake is just so relaxing and calming. The weather today is so wonderful, although there is a sandstorm and sunrise is not really visible, but still the skies are so clear and blue, and it's just so nice, and it's just so relaxing in the eyes. Before reaching the Love Lake, you have to enter for like a 15 to 30 minute drive, and it's a big place. This is actually the center of the desert where they made it a lake, and it's so amazing, and it's really a sacred or a sanctuary place for us because it's really rare and it's just so amazing. Imagine that there is a lake in the middle of the desert, and there are lots of plants and trees here. The birds are everywhere, there are too many of them, and it's a lovely day today. Just enjoy the place and just breathe fresh air, walk for a minute, walk for a while, and just savor and embrace the beauty of this place. Everything is just so green and so natural. So here we are, sitting and meditating for a while watching the fishes in the lake. They're too big and just so lovely. The air is so fresh and clean and green. The weather is not too hot and not too cold, and it's really a pleasant and a wonderful day to just simply go out and enjoy the beauty of the world. The water in the lake is so calming and relaxing, and it suits your body, mind, and soul. The birds are flying so high and they are dancing and chirping up in the sky. The clouds are so white and the sky is so clear, and the weather was really great. So here I am, sleeping, lying here in the green grass in front of the lake, and it's just so relaxing. Every time we're here, it's really a nice feeling, and you can just connect to the nature and just live life to the fullest. And the lake is like a sanctuary, as I said, where you can see fishes, swans, and birds. You can spend an hour or two just by looking at those screens and the lake. You can read a book underneath the tree and just spend time with nature. It was already sunset this time, and it's almost dusk. The best moment or the best time to come here is during sunset, because it has the best sunset, and this is one of the best places here in Dubai, and it's just an amazing place. So here I am, just taking a break for a while, just simply savoring nature and life. It's just a good feeling, and sometimes meditation really helps, like to help you ease and relaxes your inner self, and also it is good for your mind, body, and soul. So that's it. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Till my next videos.